Good morning, everyone. Happy Friday. Okay, let's see who's in. Right. Hello, everyone. Please, 1 second. Can you confirm you can? Somebody confirm you can hear me and see my screen well? All good? Hello. Okay. Hi, Gomez. Hi, Paul. Okay, all good. Yeah. Great stuff. Hope you guys did read my outlook. I posted on the daily briefing. So basically, it's the same thing that we talk about in the morning. Looking at lower prices after this price action from yesterday, and then obviously our target was this, and then overall ultimate target for me is this. That is a monthly fair value gap over here. I'm not saying we're going to achieve this today. That is about, I think, 800 points. And we already walked down. Today is what? Some 700 points. So it's going to be altogether 1,500 points. That is about quite a lot. That is a 5% off though. If price fell, that's going to be 5%. But anything possible in the markets, we never underestimate any prices or anything. But overall, ultimate may be next week. 6 hour fair value gap, back to back. Target achieved 400%, and we missed 450% by 18 points only. So, I mean, $18. So, 4 hour, we'll have this bearish fair value gap in the morning, tapped into it nicely, leaving some equal highs over here, and then dump price. So overall price is nice. I mean, respecting all these bearish footprints. So signaling going down, we already tapped. I won't consider this as a sweep because we just literally tap into it and then went back to this 4 hour fair value gap left, and then again. So we're looking this, that is 28,517 area. So that's the area I'll be looking. Okay, same. I mean, not much in this 90 minutes as well because I'll be watching 4 and 6 hours. So it's the same, leg down. I mean, so this is this is the position I'm in. Excuse this noise, this notification, some of the alert. This I'm in, and now obviously pre-market I open, wasn't a very big position. I open only 2 micros, so I think I have one over here. When you tap into this over here, I closed 1. I'm into 1, and I'll move my stop loss to this, and that is, I think, just over here. 15 minutes fair candle top. Where is right? Okay, yeah, over here on this one. So this is a 15 minutes top of 15 minutes candle. Okay, here on top of this candle. So this is the stop loss, almost a break even. So over here, 1 done. So I just don't want to risk all the gains and then go into, because of these equal highs, and that looks nice. Maybe price go all the way up, sweep all this liquidity, tap back into this 4 hour, and then we'll see some sort of our model play out, and then we'll take a shot from there. So this is the plan for today. Hi Nick, how are you? Hi Zay, how are you? You okay? Haven't seen you in streams for long, man. So I'm already in. I'll keep holding it. I'm not going to close it. If I'll get stop out, I'll get stop out. That's no issue. So this is my initial target anyways. So I already took one, so probably I'll see, and I'll keep managing my position, keep managing my stop loss. And this is the plan. So we have another 3 minutes for the market to open. If anyone have any questions, please do ask. Hi, Liada, how are you? Anybody in the short? Anybody took a short when I posted, or before that? Anybody in the short? Good afternoon, Steve. Normally, I do not enter the trade on pre-market, but this looks really good to me. So I waited all this bullish price action into that, and I was a bit hesitant when we have an inversion over here and we go second inversion on this candle. I was looking to go short, but I was hesitant, and then I want all this these 5 minutes candle to price close below this, and when the price on this candle close, still I didn't enter. I entered on this candle, I think over here. I think when it came down, went up on this, and then start rejecting over here somewhere, I enter, and I put my stop loss over here there. I was in the short close now. Oh, you already closed it. Okay. Yeah, I mean, if you hit your targets, that's fine. No waiting for a long. Yeah, it could be, we already hit into a level. So could be. We already hit here. We come back, and then obviously look at this Asia since yesterday. Look all this. So, I mean, some relief rally, that's what we call it, a relief rally from this price action, maybe to over here, there, somewhere of the OT over this. So it possible, I mean, I'm not saying it's not possible. So but for that we need to wait and watch. So I mean, this morning I mentioned I'm not really, till we are in these two black lines, right? I mean, I can expect anything. Price come back here, sweep all this, and then start going back to maybe. I won't think that you're going to reverse all this price action, but we're going to leave this fair value gap over here today, and let's see what's going to happen next week. So maybe tap into that, or maybe price just keep dumping to this monthly fair value gap over here. So 1 minute to open. 20 seconds actually. Let's see what happens. Okay. Good. Oh, I didn't notice I'll be on 5 minutes. Yeah, let's see. That'd be really interesting to see. I mean, these equal highs, going to be nice. Go over there, sweep all that, and we'll see how price reacts when you get back into this 4-hour fair value gap. Let's see. Okay. Keep this 15 minutes on. Mm. I'm gonna get rid of this, so I just mark over here. This is my, I think, stop loss over here. We have this BPR here. Let's see what happened to this BPR. Inverted. So many BPRs, man, in the last 2 or 3 days, made me flipping confused, which one to follow and which one not to. I was why I'm in. Why I was looking at the lower prices yesterday. We swapped. I mean, look at this weekly. This week we swapped. ES swapped the previous week highs. NQ failed. YM failed, and then after sweeping, that was on Wednesday when the price swept. And since then, I was looking at lower prices, and that's exactly on the same on monthly. I think I've mentioned that last month is. I mean, this month basically. YM swapped last previous month's highs, and NQ and ES failed. So after sweeping that, I was looking at the lower prices. So this is the target basically after sweeping. Let's see what happens. Okay, go to 90 minutes. Okay. ES making lower lows. And then we have right. Okay. ES already swapped London lows, and NQ failed, and YM swapped as well. So I'm not looking at the SMT. I'm looking at the lower prices. So look at this. ES is just keep dumping, and then NQ will start soon as well, I guess. Look at that. So I moved my TP to below. I won't take a hard TP over here. That was my first plan before. So I'm gonna just keep the position riding, And when we start closing below a London low, and probably I'm gonna move my stop loss now to this swing high. So this is my new stop loss over here. I don't want to give this price to go back, invert all this BPR and fair value gap, and then and start going up. So my new stop loss, let me manage that stop loss over here. One sec. Right, okay, done. So this is new stop loss. So our stop loss in probably if 1 second. Anybody took the short here on this candle? Wait, I mean, if you're not in the short, just wait because we are very close to this liquidity. So let's see what happens over here. If the price gets accepted, or wait for it to go back into this fair value gap and get rejected from there. You need to see, get rejected, come back, and then you can plan a short. But so far, I mean, nothing. I would wait. I mean, I'm already in the trade from these highs, so I mean, I'm okay. So I wouldn't enter over here. But it looks very bearish to me. Look at this price action. So this, the another law is been swapped as well. That is from This one is done, gone. Gonna be crazy price action if we go all the way to this monthly fair value gap today. That gonna be crazy. Ninth June low, yes. That's 9th June, yeah. Yeah, 9th June. That was the target from this morning call, right? So if you hold your short, Steve, from all these highs over here, because the 15-minute candle went up and then how is closing back inside that. Come on, we need TGIF. Maybe, I mean, price looks very heavy to me for, yes, maybe you can get in the afternoon or something, but looking at this price action, Paul, that price action looks very heavy to me. It's dropping like a stone, you know. It's very, very, I mean, TGF can play, it's fine, but after this price action is very hard to push. But let's put TGIF targets. So this is our TGIF targets, 20% to 30% from a low. That comes to back into this fair value gaps actually. So I don't expect 50 to 60% or all this area. So this is your target over here. You can see clearly targets to TGIF. That's going to be these highs at 20% and then 30%. So basically inside this box. Maybe I can just box, not the fair value gap, just according to these targets, and then middle. So this is 20% and 30% TGF targets. So TGIF, so this is the whole TGIF box. So you go Monday, you go Tuesday, Wednesday went up, swapped. Tuesdays, I haven't swapped Monday, just left some equal highs, and then Wednesday, price Thursday, and Friday. I mean, I was expecting they're going to be nice yesterday price action. I was waiting today Asia going to go a bit up over here somewhere, and then from there in price reject, but it's non-stop since yesterday. Look at this all. Yeah, exactly. Why did you move your stop loss, Steve? You should cap your original stop loss, man. And you have the clear targets, you know. Okay. Price is okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move my stop loss now just above this fair value gap. I mean, we already hit into these targets. I have only one contract. I already took off. So, I mean, I'm in the profit anyway. So let me do it. 1 second. By the way, I'm trading only Apex. I don't have top step accounts now. So I blew all of them. Made a mistake yesterday. Right. That is 2640. Right. 28,640. That's my stop loss now. 5 minis. I know, bro. I know. Sometimes I have to take it. I went so greedy. I made 28 grand yesterday, and after that, I wasn't still happy with 28 grand. I want to make 100 grand yesterday, and I just keep buying 5 minis, selling 5 minis, buying, selling, buying, selling, and I keep doing it till flipping I blew my accounts. Mm, 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 mm. Yesterday, when the market opened and then price was dumping, I was like, I was keep buying, and then start bouncing a bit after open yesterday. I think no, here I can't. Over here somewhere. This is yesterday, I think. No, Thursday. I think this one dump and then this. So from here till here, I had like a 17 grand profit, and then over here I went short, and then again, and then I went long, and then long, and then long, and I keep longing the shit out of it till I blew it. So that's what I want to see, because it's a little bit of chop off here around the London low. So see all those wicks not leaving any fair value gap, and I want to see how it reacts. So like, by looking at the prices, look like price has been accepting. Price has been accepted uh, below London low. Yeah. So we tried to push the price, failed, close, leaving this fair value gap, right? If somebody want to go short now, if I wasn't into a short, go short here, put your stop loss here, and just target 2 hour. So maybe on this fair value gap, tap into this fair value gap, very tight stop loss over here. And this is going to be a little risky trade, but yes, if I wasn't in trade, I will probably look into something like that. So saying this, let me find out what 5 minutes is. This is 5 minute fair value gap. I'm moving my stop loss to this high, because I don't want to be in trade if this fair value gap is been inverted. So 569. This is my, let me change it here. 569. Okay. 570. When we hit some important levels, like all this liquidity here, we hit, price is always hesitant like this. It's not like a clear, no clear moves to the downside. No, I just knew so. Flipping, look at YM, how it's bouncing, swept all that. Look at this fucking reaction. So YM is a beast, man. Not a very good close of this candle, but the way YM reacting, get rid of this. I'm gonna move to the body now. I mean the reaction from a YM I see. Look like price just gonna go. And I'll be looking for a long here, I think. We call this inverted, this fair value gap. Let's see. Okay, we tapped into this monthly fair value gap, the first one. I'll expect some bounce at least, you know. So maybe what is weekly thing? If I'll get stop out on this one, obviously I'll be in the profit anyway, stop out in profit. So I won't say it's a bad day, it's a good day so far. And then I'm looking for, we're leaving some fair value gap on 2 minutes. Let's see what 5 minutes saying. If this 5 minutes get inverted, we're leaving some bullish price action, tap back in, uh, some higher prices. Okay, we left this 2 minutes fair value gap here. You in long pole already? So far, it's a good reaction. I am still high, going higher. Look at ES, and then I think NQ will follow the suit. Of course, I can't close my open position. Let me stop out, and only then I'll do it. We're leaving nothing in, not yet waiting to close above London low. All right, okay, over here, yeah. I mean, probably this is my stop loss. Obviously, if I get stop out and see how the price is, let's see what is this range is. How many points? Fucking hell, 150 points. I mean, these markets are flip, you know. They have to create a no micro, I mean, more lower unit than a micro. You go mini, you go micro, and you go, I mean, smallest unit of a micro. When you have like 200 points, stop loss, 150 points. That would be crazy. I mean, my stop loss is like literally 1 second. Let me see here. My stop loss is triple five. Yeah, 55575, same. It will be crazy if we just reverse from here, but I don't think so. It's gonna reverse. It's gonna stop me out. Come on, stop me out, man. Stop, please. It's 15 minutes. If price start going all the way back, and then we're gonna get this manipulation block into a monthly fair value gap, and then we'll start looking for higher prices. I'm stop out, guys. Okay, I'm stopped out, and let's see what happens now. Oh, this is gone. I'll wait for enter a new trade here. So far, it's a bullish price action. I mean, I'm not gonna lie. I just can't jump to another trade just straight after I got stopped out on one after making a I mean, that's a good. Right, okay, guys, you can go. Okay, let me try one. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my stop loss one long. Okay, my fill is 587. 587. This is my fill, and I'm gonna keep my stop loss just below this leg up and to this monthly fair value. Let's see. No, sorry, this 4 hour fair value gap. You in, Paul? Who else is in long? Yes, I'm in. Okay, you in. Who else is in? Let me see. 5 minutes with 5 minute candle is always nice. I always keep an eye on 5 minute candle as well. So yeah, that's fine. My stop loss is just below 5 minute candle. Where you kept your stop loss for? Just at the lows or over here? We got this fair value gap here. Leaving fair value gap. 2 minutes looking amazing. Okay, Zach is in as well. 5 minutes looking good, 15 minutes looking good, 1 minute looking good. Let's see, let's see. Now let's go to all-time highs, yeah? Okay. This is our TGF target, remember, for a notification here. So this is our 20%. I'm gonna, by the way, I'm entered two contracts again. 20% and this is 30%. So I'll take a first TP on 20% and then let's see what happens. Okay, stop loss for triple four. Where is that triple four? Why you choose triple four? Oh, okay, below this IFVG. This is well. Yeah, I'm going to keep stop loss here. And we have an inversion of this candle IFVG, and we had a CISD on this candle. Should have gone long, but obviously I was in the short, I couldn't. And the thing is, obviously, the model I play, sometimes I get a stop loss once and twice, and then my model played out on the third time, and sometimes on the second time. Very rarely, I'll probably say about 30% of the time it played in the first go. So this is okay, London low sweep. You go, this is like ILM model, basically, I'm talking about. So you got this inversion over here, and okay, you got inversion, candle close outside, you go CISD, you take a position. So say on close of this candle, you should enter long over here. Then you put your stop loss at the swing lows, and you already two are up, and then you just target to the next liquidity. So this is normally I play, but in this one, I mean, in the rather than the first inversion, you always sometime you the price sweep again, and then you get stop out. Then you give the price give you another chance to go long again. Then you have to enter again and again. So obviously, sometimes you have to take a 2 shots or 3 shots, but it's worth it. The reason only worth it is if I mean, sometime, for example, okay, we have this here, but sometime if this leg doesn't happen and only this leg happen, and then your CISD is all the way up here. So, I mean, this is a quite a big range if somebody trade a CISD model rather than a IFVG. So you have to wait all the way up here, all this price section. But if it was say IFVG over here, you could have entered only of inversion of this fair value gap, and that's actually happened over here. This inverted, and then you can just go long. Okay, nice, 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 nice. Guys, you are most welcome to take profits whenever you are. We are, I mean, reaching this swing high of the open. So, I mean, it's up to you how you manage your position. I'll leave all that with you guys under the retested fair value gap. Okay, so this 2 minutes fair value gap and under this. Okay. Okay, fair enough. I think you should, I mean, move your stop or something, manage it because it's a nice see. All you see some of thing over here. Please do manage your position. I took one off and gone BE. Yeah, I mean, this is a smart move, I mean, I'm only 2 contracts and probably I'm going to take one over here, 730 and this area. Whoa, that's a nice, come on, push it, push it, push. We already won. So, I don't mind going BE now. I mean, now I need to see what is it. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move my stop loss below this fair value. You go how many 4 minutes? No, I'm going to keep my stop loss over here. I don't mind. That's okay. Tap over here and I'll take a 1 TP. And then you guys manage your position. That's a nice trade. Nice back-to-back winners, man. Nice. All right, guys, I'm going to take my first TP over here, first contract close. Right, 1 contract close. I'm only in 1 contract now, and I won't target this area. I'll be taking higher and higher, and I keep moving my stop loss till I get stop out now. So if I highly suggest if you are in multi-contracts, please take some profits. Profits keeps us alive. Let us to buy more accounts, keep sorry. All right, okay. Yeah, keep us in the market, so do manage your position, please. And another request is please share your winners in Discord and X. I don't know if you still holding all of your POV. Okay, so when we tap into this 4-hour fair value gap, please be careful. Do not give your gains back to the market. Stingy. I'm in with one contract. I'm cheap. Nah, I mean, I wouldn't say you cheap. The stop loss over here make us all cheap. Okay, so the target hit for 1 hour. I took one over here. I don't mind taking just only 10 points below. I mean, it is what it is. I'm still in one contract. So I'll keep managing. Normally I manage, as I said, on 5 minutes. So I'll be managing, moving my stop loss to look like in 1 minute, this candle look close like here. So we gonna leave let's see, we leave this fair value gap. We already left this fair value gap. I'm gonna move my stop loss to like get rid of this some below this candle. So this 5 minute candle, so this my stop loss gonna be just below the swing here, pretty much break even. So this is going to be new stop loss 579. So say 28,579. Why did I mark this line? One sec. I don't know. I mean, these equal highs before pre-market I was talking about, this is a very clear drawn liquidity, at least to here. I mean, price go sweep them, and then obviously you watch your fade, yeah. So we have hopefully we're going to leave in 8 seconds. Yeah, back-to-back fair value gaps on 5 minutes, and target for the back-to-back fair value is so 1, 2, left back-to-back fair value gaps over here. Target 2%, 250, and then 400% to PM. Yesterday's PM high. All right, keep riding it. Two big stop loss for me. I know it's for all of us. Normally, like I was on only 2 contracts, and I took only 2 contracts because I had a winner this morning. So obviously, like the short we played, so it was a winner. So I took X. When normally what I do is, for example, I took a first trade, and if my first trade is a winner, then I take extra, not extra, like a full risk or maybe extra risk in the second trade, because I know I have some like buffer to play, and if I had a loser, then probably second I'm full risk first, second full. If I both loser, then on third one I'll go a half risk, or maybe I just don't trade it. So guys, nice price action. You go all these targets. Please do manage your trade. I mean, I think I have nothing else. I mean, we had a good walk. We enter here. Come on, guys. I mean, fucking hell, man. In 20 minutes or something, we made about 200 points. Great stuff. Okay, we got a unicorn model as well here. So this is a very nice unicorn model developing. You got over here, leaving fair value gap, and so we are about to hit okay, these are the equal highs over here, right? Okay, this level. Nice win. Yes, it is. It is. Okay, guys, please share on the Discord and Twitter. Tag me as well. This World Trades. All right, guys. If any questions, please do ask, and tag Squid Traders as well, please. Any questions? I'm happy to help. Otherwise, you guys have a nice Friday and weekend, and I'll see you on Monday. Where's Iliada came? I can't see her. Any comments? Is she gone? Did you take a trade, Iliada? Well, Steve, did you took? Paul took. Zach took. I'm not sure about Steve, Sarah, Iliada. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you. Thank you so much for joining the stream. It's always wonderful to see you guys and talk to you. I'll see you later. Thank you. Bye bye.